Hazrat Sayyid bin Mina narrates that he heard Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu saying, when the trench was being excavated, I observed that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was extremely hungry. So I came to my wife and asked, is there anything to eat? For I have watched Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the state of extreme hunger. She took out the sack and there were only 4 kilograms of barley, and we also had a kid. So I slaughtered the kid and my wife ground the barley. By the time I finished my work, she had also finished her work. So I chopped the meat into pieces and put it into the casserole. When I intended to go to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my wife said, don't let me suffer obloquy before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions radiyallahu anhum. I went to him and submitted quietly. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have slaughtered a kid and we have got 4 kilograms of barley flour. So you may come accompanied by some of your companions radiyallahu anhum. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said aloud, O the people of Trench, Jabir has arranged a feast for you. So come on. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to me, don't take off the casserole and bake the bread till I come. So I came back and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, whereas he was leading the others. When I reached home, the wife said to me, embarrassed, you have done what I was fearing. I said, I did what you had asked me to do. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was presented dough, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam poured his saliva in it and invoked a blessing. Then turned towards the casserole, he poured his saliva in it and invoked a blessing, and then said, call another woman who can bake bread, so that she may bake bread before me, and take ladlefuls meat out of your casserole, but don't take it off. There were 1,000 persons to eat. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, all of them ate to their fill and went away leaving it. When we see the same amount of meat was present in the casserole as it had been before, and our dough was also as much as it was before. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4102.